Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most stunning, luxurious, and breathtaking homes from across the United States. Today's property is something truly special, a Texas home that honestly checks every single box. From its grand entrance to its resort-style backyard, this home blends elegance, comfort, and modern design in a way that feels straight out of a dream. Let's start with the first impression, because this home does not hold back. As you approach the property, you're greeted by a grand, modern exterior finished in a beautiful cream tone, perfectly contrasted with sleek blue glass windows and subtle golden accents. The driveway is wide and welcoming, leading you straight to a statement entrance that instantly sets the tone for what's inside. Now take a look at this entrance. A stunning staircase made of polished cream marble rises gracefully toward the main door, while elegant golden railings reflect the soft glow of ambient blue lighting. The double doors are tall, bold, and luxurious, giving you that wow feeling before you even step inside. And now, let's go in. The moment you walk through the doors, you're welcomed into a spacious open-concept living area that feels both modern and timeless. The color palette is perfectly balanced. Soft cream tones dominate the space, while rich blue accents and golden decor details add depth and luxury. The living room is designed for both comfort and style. Plush cream sofas invite you to sit back and relax, while large floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light. Above, a statement chandelier hangs beautifully, creating a focal point that ties the entire room together. This is the kind of space where you can entertain guests, spend time with family, or simply enjoy a quiet evening in complete luxury. Moving forward, we step into the dining area, and it's just as impressive. A long, elegant dining table sits at the center, surrounded by designer chairs with blue velvet finishes and golden frames. The lighting here is soft and warm, creating the perfect atmosphere for both everyday meals and special occasions. Right next to it is the heart of the home, the kitchen. This modern chef's kitchen is designed to impress. You'll notice the clean cream cabinetry paired with sleek golden handles, giving it a refined and polished look. The large marble island provides plenty of space for cooking, serving, or gathering with friends and family. High-end appliances are seamlessly built in, and the blue backsplash adds just the right amount of contrast to make the entire space pop. Now let's explore one of the most important areas of any luxury home, the bedrooms. The master bedroom is a true retreat. Spacious, Santa, and beautifully designed, it features a king-size bed dressed in soft cream tones with blue accent pillows and golden detailing. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, while the ambient lighting creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere at night. This is more than just a bedroom, it's your personal escape. And of course, the master bathroom continues that same level of luxury. Step inside and you'll find a spa-like space featuring a stunning bathtub, a sleek glass shower, and elegant cream and gold finishes throughout. Every detail here is designed to make you feel relaxed, refreshed, and completely at ease. But this home doesn't stop there. It also features a fully equipped home gym, perfect for staying active without ever leaving the comfort of your home. With modern equipment, mirrored walls, and stylish lighting, it's a space that makes working out actually enjoyable. And for car lovers, the garage is just as impressive. Spacious, clean, and beautifully designed, it offers plenty of room for multiple vehicles while maintaining that same luxury aesthetic found throughout the home. Now, let's head outside, because this is where things get really exciting. The backyard is nothing short of a private resort. A stunning swimming pool sits at the center, with crystal clear blue water reflecting the soft golden lighting around it. The surrounding area features comfortable lounge seating, perfect for relaxing under the sun or enjoying an evening with friends and family. There's also a beautifully designed garden space, complete with a modern swing area that adds a peaceful and charming touch to the outdoor environment. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet moment, this outdoor space delivers the perfect balance of luxury and relaxation. And finally, we step into the TV lounge, a cozy yet stylish area designed for entertainment. With a large screen, comfortable seating, and soft ambient lighting, it's the perfect spot for movie nights or watching your favorite shows in style. So, what do you think? This Texas home truly combines everything you could want: modern design, luxurious finishes, spacious living, and incredible outdoor features. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle. If you're interested in this property or want more information, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more incredible homes just like this. We'll see you in the next video. Hand waving.